Hey YouTubers, today we've got a little Golf. It's a Mk7 variety, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to change the pollen filter or cabin filter in this. It's really dead easy, no tools required. Hope you enjoy the video. This one's right hand drive variety, but it's the same for left and right hand variety. Obviously if it's a left hand drive you'd be working on the passenger side to the right of the vehicle. So first thing you need to do, open up the glove box, take out what's in there, and then there are two little clips. Can I get you in to see them? I wonder. I'll spin you round and I'll put it right in editing. So see one here, lifts up, and you'll also see the side. And that pushes up too, so get your finger behind it. I'll turn me in the right way now. I'm trying to get my hand in there. So push it up, pull that down a bit, push the next one up, and that's released now. There's normally a little arm in there. Oh, here it is. So this little arm goes into here when we're pulling it back, but we'll address that when we pull it back. So here's the cover, and it's got three little clips on the top, so just pull them down with your fingers or your thumb. I did say no tools required. One, two, your hand in. And that cover just comes off. And there's your filter. It just comes out that way. Now I thought these were airflow down, but this has been putting airflow up. So I'm going to double check that. Is there anything on here? No. Let me double check, because I thought on these Golfs it was airflow down. So I've had a look at service data, and that tells me the airflow should be down. So let's get the new one installed with the airflow pointing down. Make sure that seats home. Put the bottom tabs where they belong, like that. And that's it. Now we've got to do is put the glove box back in without knocking you guys over. See that? So as it goes up, we just need to direct this rod into where it lives. Come on, rod. Or is it my camera stopping me? He says, oh, almost got me. There we go. So it'll be easy without the camera in the way. Then we can put all the stuff back in. And that's how you do it, easy. That was just showing you how easy it is to change the cabin filter, pollen filter on your Golf Mk7, same left or right hand drive. Just be aware of airflow, etc. No tools required, lovely little job. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out. Please leave comments or questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.